is one of China's top 10 most beautiful forests. It is endowed with rolling hills, misty clouds, and dashing waterfalls. In the midst of towering ancient trees, wreathed with vines, resides rare wildlife. They breathe the forest air laden with 80,000 negative oxygen ions per cubic centimeter. It is the cornucopia of Mother Nature's bounty for all creatures on Earth. Sitting in China's southern island province of Hainan is the Jianfengling tropical rainforest. The Jianfengling rainforest is in the southwestern tip of Hainan, above the same latitude as India's Mumbai or Puerto Rico in the Caribbean Sea. It covers an area of 1,600 hectares. Due to the region's coastal topography, it has a classic tropical monsoon climate, marked by clear-cut dry and wet seasons. The mean annual temperature is around 20 degrees Celsius. 18 peaks exceed 1,000 meters above sea level in the area. The main peak in the Jianfengling Mountains is 1,412 meters, while the lowest is 200 meters. The altitude difference of more than 1,200 meters makes room for the diverse topography. With a vegetation coverage of 96%, the Jianfengling forest is a microcosm of all tropical rainforest flora in the world. It was part of the mainland before crustal movements millions of years ago separated the land from the continent. Since then, the island has been embraced by the vast sea. The luxuriant tropical rainforest and other beings dwelling in this island have given rise to a unique realm of wildlife. The Jianfengling forest is home to 75% of plant species and 85% of animal species on the island. In the land of green vegetation lives the Alsophila, which saw the reign of the dinosaurs. Considered a living fossil, it survived the extinction events as the only existent tree fern on Earth. Twining, strangling, buttress roots, flowering stems, and hanging gardens, these various phenomena of plants are integrated in this area. The Jianfengling tropical rainforest is China's southernmost and largest tropical rainforest. It has a full set of vertical ecosystems and is the best preserved rainforest in the country. The Jianfengling tropical rainforest has more than 250 plant species per hectare. In terms of vegetation integrity and biodiversity of the region, it is comparable to the Amazon River, Congo River, and South Asian rainforests. It is thus referred to as a gene bank in the northern rim of the tropics.